in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable Storage Sense on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer if you want to automatically clean files that are taking up space on your drive automatically. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the System tile. And then on the left side underneath System, you want to scroll down and you want to select where it says Storage. And then you should see up at the top Storage. Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycling bin. Click inside that oval to toggle it on, and then you can configure Storage Sense by selecting that hyperlink and adjust those settings down here. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.